Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to restore WhatsApp message. How to restore WhatsApp message. Here, when you have your WhatsApp or you open your WhatsApp like this. Here, when you want to delete or uninstall your WhatsApp message and you don't want to lose any information here, you don't want to lose any information on your WhatsApp or want to lose any information here, this video, watch it to the end so that you not miss any steps how to restore your WhatsApp message. So you launch your WhatsApp like this. You launch your WhatsApp, you click the three lines dot here, so you click on it. This menu will appear. So you go to settings. So under the settings here, you search. You have so many here. So here you search for chats. Remember, our motive is to restore WhatsApp message. So when you uninstall your message or your WhatsApp and you want to get all your message back without losing any information on the WhatsApp. So when you come to chat, here you search for chat backup. So you click here. Under chat backup here, you see backup. So you click on the backup here. So the system is you're backing up your message. Yes, so it is taking time to back up your message. Yes, see, all the message has been backed up. Then you go back here, you click uninstall. So you click on, when you click uninstall, and you go to Play Store and you search for WhatsApp. When you search for WhatsApp, So when you search for WhatsApp and you install WhatsApp, all your information, you get it back without losing any information. You search for WhatsApp. Yes, you search for WhatsApp. You install WhatsApp. You have not installed it. You have not uninstalled. I have not uninstalled. This is for tutorial purpose. So when you uninstall and install all the information that you have it before the WhatsApp was uninstalled, you get your message back without losing any information. Or maybe when you back up and you restart your phone, or when you restart your phone, or you format your phone and uninstall and install your WhatsApp, all the information you get it back without losing any information when you back up your WhatsApp. So this is how to get your message back on WhatsApp. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.